let's try it a little bit faster. When practicing this etude, please pay extra attention to the variations that are listed in the front of the etude. That, in my opinion, is where the true value of this etude is. So if you practice it with all the variations Wohlfahrt laid out, I think you'll benefit a lot from this etude. And try to make it a habit. Each time you see those variations, do them, play them. It trains your mind to apply different styles and different techniques to the exercise you already learned. So it's kind of building on top of a solid foundation other things that will come in handy in your violin career. So I highly recommend that. I'm not going to demonstrate them now because this video would be ridiculously long and nobody would watch it. But you might want to just try it. So I'll only play a short fragment, but you should do the whole thing. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Fourth. So on and so forth. You get the idea. So if you practice it like this, your knowledge of this etude becomes exponentially better. So again, I can't recommend those variations enough. You really should consider playing them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.